Hello children, good morning all of you. Now children, today we will learn one new pattern. Okay, but before that, tell me the name of the pattern that you have learned. तुम्ही कोणते कोणते pattern शिकलात? Tell me the name. Okay, I will show you flashcards. Okay, now you have to tell me the name. See children, which line is this? Which line? Yes, this is standing line. Which line? Standing line. Very good children. Now children tell me, which line is this? Yes? Yes, very good. This is sleeping line. Which line? Sleeping line. Very good children. Now children tell me, which line is this? Yes, this is slanting line. Very good. Now tell me, which line is this? This is also slanting line. Very good children. Now children, our new writing pattern is up down line. Okay. Now see children, this is up down lines. Which line? Up down lines. Everybody repeat after me. Up down lines. Okay. Up down line first goes in upward direction. आधी कुठे जातात? Upward direction, वरच्या direction जातात. And after that खाली येतात. Okay? See children. Up, down, up, down, up, down. This is up down lines. Okay? Children, see. Slanting line and slanting line makes up down line. Okay, up down line, slanting line काय होतात? अप डाऊन लाईन तयार होतात. तुम्ही पाहिलं की ते माउंटन्स सी माउंटन्स. ओके, माउंटन्स पण कसे असतात? अप डाऊन डायरेक्शन. येस, रूफ ऑफ हाऊस, हाऊसचं रूप असं असतं की नाही? येस, अप डाऊन. येस, दिस इज अप डाऊन line. Now children, we have to write this pattern, up down pattern in the air. Okay, for that everybody take your pointer finger. Yes, pointer finger, and 3 times you have to draw up down lines. Okay, first you have to go up. Okay, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now you have to write up down line on your palm. Okay, everybody take your palm. Yes, take your pointer finger. Yes, very good. Now write up down lines. Okay, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now children, we will draw this up down pattern in Rangoli. Yes? Now children, we have to write up down line in Rangoli. Okay? Take some Rangoli. Okay? Then take your pointer finger. Yes. And then write up down lines. Okay? First you have to go up. Okay? Then come down. Then go up, then come down, go up and come down. 3 times you have to write up down lines. Okay, again erase it with the help of your fingers. Okay, again write. Okay, first we have to go up. Yes, very good. Up. Then आता काय करायचं? खाली यायचं. Come down. Go up, down, up, down. Yes, very good children. Okay, आता तुम्ही अशी प्रॅक्टिस करायची. You have to do practice in Rangoli. Children, this up down line is used to write letter M. Okay, now our next pattern is down up line. Which line? Down up line. See children, down up line first go in down direction. Okay, आधी कुठे जातात? khali, down, then up, down, up, down, up. Okay, this is down up line, and down up line is used to write letter V and W. Letter V and W लिहिण्यासाठी आपण हा पॅटर्न यूज करतो. ओके, now we have to write down up line in the air. Okay, everybody take your pointer finger. Pointer finger, yes. Take your pointer finger. Yes. First go down. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yes, now you have to write down up lines on your palm. Okay, take your pointer finger. Very good. First you have to go down. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now children, we will write this pattern in Rangoli. Children, you have to write down up line in Rangoli. Okay, take your pointer finger. Yes, you have to first go down. खाली यायचं आहे. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, erase it with the help of your fingers. Okay, and again write this pattern. First go down. Yes, very good. Down, then up, then down, up, down, and up. Yes, children, do the practice of down up line in Rangoli. Now children, let's do some work in our pattern book. Okay, everybody open page number 16. Okay, see, open page number 16. Now parents, write CW, class work, on the top of the page, and here left hand side write today's date. Now children, see, you have to join these dots. Okay, you can see here sun, mountains, roof, and water. Okay, when pattern is given in picture, that time we have to use crayon. Okay, इथे काय कोणत्या लाईन्स आहेत? अप डाऊन लाईन. सी चिल्ड्रन, अप डाऊन, अप डाऊन, अप डाऊन. See the roof of the house. This is also up down. Okay, now children, start. Okay, join these dots. You can use one color crayon or you can use different colors also. Okay, see, you have to join these dots. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Yes, see, up, down. Yes, yes. Now see children, see up down lines. Up, down, up, down. Join these dots slowly, slowly. Up, down. Up, down. Yes. Up, down. Which pattern is this? Up, down lines. Up, down. Yes, children. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. You can take different colors. So see, this is sun. This is sun. Up, down. Yes. Join these dots. with the help of crayon, you have to join these dots. Yes, now children, complete page number 16. Now, everybody open page number 17. Okay, now parents write HW on the top of the page. And here left hand side write today's date. Now here also we have to use crayon. Now children see. You can see here up down lines. Yes, these dotted lines are up down lines. Now see here you can see down up lines also. See, down up, down up, down up. Okay, and up down lines also. We have to join these dots with the help of crayon. Start children. Yes, up, then down, up, down, up, down. Here also you have to join these dots. Yes, these are down up lines. Okay, आधी कुठे जातात त्या खाली जातात. Down up, down up, down up. See, down up, down up, down up, down up, down up, down up. These are up down lines. See children, up, down, 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 up, down. Now children, complete page number 17. Now parents, you have to check page number 16 and 17. Tick mark and stars. Smiley face also. Here also. Check homework, page number 17. Tick mark and stars. And smiley face. Okay, children, do the classwork and homework.